In this video, I want to show you an RFID ultra high frequency solution for laundry industry. It basically handles the nylon management. Now here is a setup, is an example of the setup of our solution. You see we have a desk with a RFID station installed inside and an antenna on the table to detect the nylon. So when you want to do the management of nylon, just put your nylons on the table. The antenna underneath will detect the RFID tag present in the area, in the detectable area. The detectable area depends on the antenna, but basically 5 meters is a reasonable range. So this RFID reader is a high performance one. It can detect more than 200 tests at the same time. 200 means 200 physical tests, not one test detecting many times, okay? This table is made of metal, so it will minimize the interference from the area. Of course, my solutions will not include the table. But you can decide whatever you want. And actually, this is not the only way to organize the antenna as a table. You can install the antenna on the wall, at the roof, below the table, depending on your need. And after your testing, the placement of antenna most suitable for you. Now this is the RFID ultra high frequency workstation. Recommend. You can go to my website www.security-warehouse.com, where you can search for model HY4007 and it will show up. This station. Now this workstation is a all-in-one unit. It require and it have the module installed inside plus all the interface, including TCP/IP, RS 232, etc. And at the back, this workstation is a 4-channel one, so it require external antenna. Okay, some RFID reader has the antenna built in, so one unit has all the essential component. But for this station, it requires external antenna, so give you more flexibilities when you want to place the antenna to a suitable positions, and you can use more than one antenna to maximize your reading efficiencies. Okay, and of course you can use one or two or three. Okay, it 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 is not essential to install all four antennas to have the unit work up normally. Now this is an antenna. It's a fat antenna connecting to this unit. Now you will see there's an extension cable from the antenna, so you can place the antenna to a suitable place. You to make the usage more reasonable. So when you order, you can order one station plus one antenna at least, or one station with four antenna at most. Now, okay, so here I create a demonstration of this unit with antenna. Now you see now this workstation has been here, and we connect four antenna, 1, 2, 3, and another one at the back, connecting to the workstation at the same time. You see now four antennas, workstation, and connecting to my laptop with the software started to record the signal. At this moment, the laptop connecting to the workstation via USB. At the same time, all the reading is 0 because I never start the test. And we come here, we have 250 tests inside the box. Later, we put this box into the antenna detecting area and see how effectiveness the readers can detect the tag. Now I kick start. Some tests can be detected because the box at the moment is not well protected for interference in the environment. Because the antenna can detect RFID tests from quite a few meters. So in our factory, there are many tests around. But anyway, you will see the difference when we put the box of RFID tag data into the box. Now we put the test on the box. Now you see, very soon, 250 tests record in almost within 1 or 2 seconds. So you can see the the detection is very fast. Now I try to put it to 0 and do the test again.
里面一共是250个标签，我们现在开始盘存。250个。
You see the detection is very fast. Just in a few seconds, all the tests could be detected. Okay, now, the one last thing I want to talk about this reader is an SDK is provided. Like in this SDK, there are 5. The first, there are demos. There are demo software. On 4 platforms: C#, C++, Java, and Android. And SDK is provided. You see, there are Android, C#, VC, and Java. So developer can use these resources to customize and build their specific applications. So this is the demonstration of this video.